Just like any large project with various moving parts, there are many ways a software development project can go wrong. Considering the high initial cost of developing custom software, it should be in your best interest to watch the project succeed. So, how can you ensure that the project is a success? Let's review 5 of the most common pitfalls and how you can avoid them. So the first issue might be that there's unclear business goals and project requirements. It's crucial for business goals and project requirements to be defined at the very beginning of your software development project. If project managers aren't clear on the scope of the project to begin with, it's almost impossible for the rest of the team to know and understand their responsibilities. For example, developers might be left unsure how features work and why they're important. Defining clear business goals and project requirements from the start allows the product team to get everything right the first time around. Another issue might be that the project has insufficient planning and unrealistic deadlines. Ironing out goals and requirements first allows for an accurate project plan. A detailed scope of work should show exactly what it'll take and how long it'll take to build your finished software project. When a project is rushed, additional bugs are introduced and design and usability are sacrificed in order to complete the project. Software that is broken or difficult to use tends to be non-functional and is therefore unused by consumers. Sufficient planning results in realistic deadlines and no additional work, keeping everyone on the same page and allowing the software to provide the benefits it's supposed to. Number 3 on our list is that there's poor communication between teams. Throughout the process of building custom software, communication between your team and the product team is essential. During the creation of your software, it's possible for requirements and priorities to shift. While efficient planning minimizes the amount of revisions required, there are still bound to be some throughout the project's lifetime. Effective communication during the planning and design of your project will reduce larger revisions that could be costly during development. Maintaining open communication between teams makes a huge difference. This allows priority shifts and revisions to be made while staying on track with the project scope. Number 4, there's a lack of project management. There are 2 roles that must excel when managing a project: account managers and project managers. Account managers deal with external communications, while project managers deal with internal communication. Projects rely on the project managers to keep everything under control and manage the development and design teams. With effective project management, your project is bound to be completed the way it's supposed to be, on budget and on time. And number 5 on the list, there's no user research completed before building software. In order to have a successful development project, you must understand the problems that users have and how software will solve them. Without this, it might be difficult for you to determine constructive project goals and requirements. Conducting user research prepares you with a better understanding of your users' behaviors, needs, motivations, and much more. Fortunately, these 5 common pitfalls are easily avoidable. To see a return on investment that you're satisfied with, taking the right steps to avoid failure should be your number 1 priority. To learn more about common software project mistakes, go ahead and check out the blog listed in the description below. If you liked the video and would like to stay updated on the video series, go ahead and like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay notified. And if you have any further questions, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Alright, have a good one.